Hello and welcome to my stream where I script 3D mission editor for Operation Flashpoint from scratch. We are in part 47. It's quite a lot. Welcome after Christmas break and the New Year break. So just a little update on what's been happening. So last stream we got the add-on reader to a somewhat usable state. And then I thought I was going to have like a release before Christmas. So I started preparing it for release, and then I noticed some bugs, some serious bugs I had to fix. And the second thing was that, yeah, we really need some proper object inspector, otherwise it's kind of pointless. So maybe this is what we're going to do today. Alright, let's see. Hello, Lionel Garcia. How's it going? All right. So let's see. What do we have here? Yeah, I remember I've made this menu, but I think we need to change it significantly. Hello, Ksharma mods. Not sure what I'm gonna do today, actually. Guess we could look into the object inspector. Or maybe some fixes, or some small improvements. So, yeah. We need a proper object list, and I was thinking whether to like use this one, the one I have here, or maybe like have it in a separate dialogue, like in this pig script. And my concern is that there's not enough space here. Magic. Yeah, thanks, dude. Yeah, my concern that there is enough screen space here, because if I like start putting shit, then you're not gonna see the object. Well, maybe for now I'll put the stuff here and then we'll see what happens. So, how's it going? How's the GUI can be modified later? Yeah, with great pains. How was your Christmas, New Year thing? Alright. You have FB, OFP groups. Meta is waiting for you. Well, thanks for removing the message. It was a month ago, already forgot. Nice, dude. To be honest, I haven't even looked into that meta stuff. I don't know what it is, like virtual reality? Well, it's kind of been done before with the what's it called, VR chat. Okay, so this is where I'm loading stuff. But hold on a second. My subject list class 0. Oh, this is totally wrong. Damn, I need to get back and see what happens. What's going on? Meta waiting for the first pulse close to meta. I have no idea what that is. Oh my god, where is the thing? Me 3D. Okay, so we got all the files here, and then I remember I was saving everything here. You can join Facebook group and teach some people to join OFP. Some people asking some silly things. I shared efforts pics and some don't really want the efforts. Well, that's cool, thanks. Speaking of, I've been in the cinema, so I've been in the cinema on Christmas to see Matrix 4. Have you seen it? After stream search pools closed in wiki. Okay, I'll do that. You see Matrix 4? Yes, I did. He wasn't brave enough. I have that's weird, not good cinematically, but then it was obviously made in jest. Yeah, it's sort of like that. I'm really on the fence about it. Like, it's kind of meh, but would I recommend the movie? Not really. But if you're going to choose like between Matrix and then seeing a Marvel movie, then yeah, go see Matrix. Recently I've been in the cinema to see the new Spider-Man, and I was not impressed. The movie seemed long, even though it was only 2 hours, because it consists of characters just staring at each other. Okay, so I'm loading this. Not Marvel movies. Yeah, so after seeing The Matrix, I watched the Red Letter Media review of The Matrix, and I really enjoyed the review, because they had interesting things to say about the movie, and they enjoyed the movie more than me, because they liked the meta aspects, and I preferred more story aspects, so I was disappointed. Okay, so I didn't find the keys at all. Oh, because it's a different set of more. Okay, I get it. In other news, I have released yesterday update to Odl to Mlod, and what is new is basically the option to merge the model so that you can have it as an original. It converts the animations frames properly, although that's not really useful, because which models have animations? I don't think even animation conversion doesn't work properly with the binaries. So it's more like a how do you say it? Self-indulgent, the animation conversion. So it's like I did it for the sake of completion, not because it's actually useful. Okay, and the last feature was that we have better information in the program. So yeah. To be frank, when I think of the original Matrix today, I don't really think about the story, but more about the social philosophical order. Well, I think about the story. The story was great. The new Matrix being weird kind fits to me better, but yeah, so trailer when I went to see Dune was like... Well, if you like more the meta aspects, then go see it, then yeah, you'll enjoy it, like the Red Letter Media guys. Yeah, okay. Yes, I saw. Same story, originals are better. Well, Yeah, Matrix 1 is obviously the best for me. Not so sure about 2 and 3. There we go. Okay, reloaded the objects. Nice. Okay, so now let's look into this menu. Six, add-on list. Okay, so I'm putting sources list. If you out of curiosity, if you've ever seen Fight Club, have you ever thought about how it's also 99 with similar topic of in the system? Actually, haven't seen Fight Club. I sort of seen it, but not really. Found it fascinating and mentioned that in my master's thesis. Well, let me think. Well, in the 90s you've got the Rage Against the Machine, right? Which the gets featured in the Matrix movie, actually. So that's one thing. And the other thing is there's a phenomenon called sister movies, where two movies about a very similar subject come about at the same time. You can Google it. Can you Google it, actually? Best movies about sisters? No. Oh, fuck. Yeah, this will require some serious Googling. Oh, shit. Hello, E7. It's like as if in the end of the 90s the Americans without the big evil enemy realized they may be bad guys too, leading to the whole anti-globalist, anti-capitalist movement. Maybe. Yeah. Who knows? So how's it going, E7? Okay, so... Oh, there it is. We got all the add-ons listed here. That's nice. Very good, that's good to know. Okay, so I'm reading the sources list. And then I need to then I need a category list. Yeah, I don't think I have it even. So these are all the objects, and the objects are connected. To their sources. We have groups and group counts. Sources list, that's the list of add-ons. I'm not sure what was that. It looks like this isn't even used. Okay. Why there is a bunch of nulls though? That's weird. Okay. So, how do I connect? Yeah, I guess I will just use the two-dimensional array. Calculator mode, yeah, something like that. So, have you guys seen any movies? Okay, this is what I'm adding source. And this is what I'm saving source, okay. You're only entertainment? Damn, you guys are poor. Holy shit. All light and darkness. I guess when you're pale, you reflect light, right? Path in the forest. Well, there's a game called The Path and there's a game called The Forest. Okay, I need to save the thing. So let's create a new array and let's call it sources list category. Yeah, guys, stop, because this is not fun. Oh, Jesus. Okay, have you played any games recently? Because I've played quite a lot, actually. I have played Nier Automata. I am playing Genshin Impact. I recently bought Majesty, which I played a long time ago. I think I completed it twice. But I want to complete it again because it's fun. It's really fun. I like it. I think you even have less control than in Settlers, but it's still fun. What else? I played a little bit of Civilization. Civilization 3, Civilization 4. Oh, a new episode for the Long Dark came out, so I need to play that one. I need to see what garbage fire it is. I haven't played any new games, so I like all classic games. I recently played Garry's Mod, made some artwork. Cool. I began to play Red Hammer campaign. It's horrifying for such AI, but fun. I played the Red Hammer campaign. I have not completed it because it's turning into you alone against the entire world. Second game you mentioned, Genshin Impact. Okay, where do I put these categories? Okay, we just have like a chain of objects. Current source. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so if this current source is different from the last source, then we update the source, right? That's a phone or old huge calculator. That's a smartphone. That was a very good work cycle. What the hell? Jesus Christ. Why did I start streaming again? Oh. Okay, so we're moving to a different source. And when we are moving to a different source, we need to clear this buffer. So maybe to illustrate what I'm doing. So we have list of objects, which I'll illustrate by this list of boxes. Right? And they are assigned to add-ons. So let's see, this is add-on 1, this is add-on 2, this is add-on 3, right? Okay, so I already have like list of add-ons. That's cool. But now I want list of categories. So objects are also assigned to the categories or vehicle classes, if you will. So let's say like this. Maybe this is C. This is D. This is A again. And then B again, and then C. So now I want add-on 1. I select add-on 1 and it's gonna display me categories for add-on 1, which is gonna be A and B. And then for add-on 2, it's only C. For add-on 3, it's going to be A, B, C, and D. Yeah, so I want to build this list, which is what I'm doing right now. And the way I'm gonna do it is like I walk each object and then I build like a list of categories. So it's gonna be A, B, and when I hit the last object in the add-on, then I need to save it. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I need to think about this. maybe let's do something simple for now. So I've got my temporary buffer. So if the current category is not in the buffer, then we put it there. Okay. So that's gonna fill it with categories. And then we hit the next add-on, so the add-on is different. So I walk this object, I add the A. I'm in this object, I don't add A because it's already here. Then I'm in this object, I add B, and then I hit new add-on, and then I need to save it. Save what we already have and clear it. Clear the temporary buffer. So if the source isn't empty, okay, and the beginning source will be empty, so by source, of course, I mean add-on name. Okay. This clears the issue of add-on name being empty. Right, so now we move to a different add-on. We don't need this. Current source. We don't need this. Or maybe we do actually. Yeah, but that needs to be done at the end. Clearing the buffer. Okay, I need to save what I have, so I can do it like this. I can just add it to the array. Okay, so that's great. Now we need to save this list to a file. That should do the trick. refresh. Now we need to generate the cache again. Let's see how it looks. Wait, did I Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay, seems alright from what I can tell. So now let's display it on the screen. So yeah, I have here a list of add-ons, and then I'm gonna have here the list of categories. So this control is number 7. And first I need to see... I need to remove the code that already uses this. Fungus Arma Gaming. I don't get it. Is this one of those recursive acronyms? Jesus Christ. Streaming was a mistake. Yeah, I should stream in the middle of the week when nobody's here. Refresh add-on list. Okay, where do I call this function? Oh, I call it here. Okay. That's interesting. So let's just get rid of it. It's like we are all playing Transformers vs. Cybertron and we all say, oh hell Megatron. Jesus Christ. My brother was playing this game a lot. I wasn't into it. Legend 7? What? Okay, so I put... I used to put here data and value, but now I don't know what for. Hobby value 6, add-on selection. Huh. Okay, I guess I remember why, maybe. Oh, I saved here, okay. You know what? I can just reuse this code. Flop of Rider. Jesus. Reset data ID. Reset data. And that's fine. Okay. Now I have refresh category list. Categories. So it's gonna be called categories. It's gonna be called source list category. Select add-on selection. And then we need to display the list of units. Yeah, that's a bit of a problem. Yeah. Okay, so we can assume that add-ons are ordered, so nicely ordered here. So you got add-on 1, 2, 3, and you're not gonna have add-on 1 in the middle of add-on 3, so that makes it easier. I just need to find the beginning of the add-on in the list. What was the command for finding stuff? I forgot. Find. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we need to find the currently selected add-on. The current category. Yeah. It's gonna be this. Oh, I'm really out of practice. It's been a while. Should be this. Okay, so once we find the initial index, I guess I can use while do. That's not a good idea. Well, do we need? This is kind of dumb. Okay, so we found the add-on, and now we need to found the add-on for the category. Now we need to add the object to the list. So let's see. Okay, so I have here like a camera value, but I don't have camera values anymore, so I'll just make it maybe 20 meters. I have here a localize. I have a special function for localize. It's called localize. Hello, Max Lawko. Czy raczej dobry wieczór. Classes. I don't remember what even that was. Okay, but I don't need all that stuff. So I have a localization folder. What are you talking about even? Nie odpuszczę edytować 3 dni. Nie. Trzeba skończyć. Może za 10, może za 20 lat, ale trzeba skończyć. Merging source engine with Behemoth engine. Well, which one is better? The answer is obvious. Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen actually. Nothing. Yeah, that's what's gonna happen, nothing. Nice. Bohemia's engine is better because it has Focus 3D editor. Well, if it was better, it wouldn't need a 3D editor. Okay. I mean, it wouldn't need me making one. Okay, so I am refreshing other list here, but it's not working. Maybe because the sources list doesn't exist yet? Let's check, actually. Yep, it does not. So we're gonna do something different. We're gonna take this and move it here, so that we are refreshing when we loaded the objects. Right? Right? No? Oh, it's not gonna work because it uses local variables. Yeah, I get it now. So we can do this, and then I'm gonna revert. Let's see now. Okay. Hello Galkis, I'm good. Trying to get back to the scripting. Aż dziwne, że z taką wiedzą Marok cię jeszcze nie zatrudnił. Może dlatego, że za mało waży? Może jak podwoję swoją wagę, to wtedy mnie zatrudnią. No nie, no teraz to już lepiej ode mnie pojechałeś. Not Russian, I'm Polish. Okay, so I can see the categories, but I don't see the objects. Why is it? Już taki bogaty jak on, to też utujesz. No dobrze, no przepraszam, nie będę się śmiał z jego wagi, będę się śmiał z jego inteligencji, tak jak Sławko. Any good Star Wars mod to share? There never really was a Star Wars mod, there were like a bunch of separate add-ons. I think I shared these add-ons a very long time ago, like a compilation of these add-ons. Thanks E7 for coming. Have fun with your other stream. Background music? What's the background music? Recreation by Ayrton. I don't remember this one. Lenyoga's TIE Fighters? Yeah, something like that. There were other stuff too. Oh, speaking of, yeah, I bought myself a new hard drive, so now I can properly backup stuff in Flashpoint files. I'm making I'm cleaning up my Flashpoint files. Love from Spain. Thanks. Yeah, so I'm backing up my Flashpoint files. Do you have these torrent called Operation Flashpoint Archive? Because nobody's seeding it. Recently I remember there was a seed, but now there are no seeds, so it would be nice to have a seed. So I'm specifically looking for this torrent, so if anyone can seed this, I would appreciate. Okay, what else? When I was cleaning the stuff, I've noticed that something was missing. And what was missing was I was backing up different sites. Not all of them, but some of them. And I backed up a site called Solaria Frag Cube. Somebody was hosting the server. And in the name of the server was this website. Name of the website, Solaria Frag Cube. He was hosting, and he was hosting some add-ons there. And I loaded it, for sure, 100%. I made a backup. But now I can't find it anywhere. And I did the file recovery stuff, and it's nowhere. And it's like, what the fuck? Where is it? I also backed up a site called funkymonkeys.org, because there were some AGS and PMC add-ons there. And I also can't find it. I was like, that shit bothers me. Okay, lost at least 2 backups. Looks this torrent is dead. Yes, that's why I'm asking you to seed it, if you have it. Yeah, somebody that has it needs to seed. That would be nice. Also, in case you didn't know, I released yesterday Odl to MLOD, and then I posted on Bforum about the running OFP on Vulkan. So if you could run the benchmark, I would appreciate it, and post your results. Maybe I should post a link to the forum. Alright, let's get back to work. Stream lag. Is the stream lagging? What? I have 30 FPS. Dropped frames 0.2%. 4000 KB. Okay. "30-second difference? What? I specifically selected ultra low latency. What the fuck? Stream settings, ultra low latency, yeah. Okay. So we are reading this correctly. Nice. But now we need to know what's the index. Index is -1, nice. Oh, because I'm looking for the wrong thing. Nice. Should be looking for the card. Oh no. Okay, let's see. Okay, I've got something. Oh, there we go. That's better. Okay. Oh, this seems like a bug. Flags. Okay, this seems like a bug. Okay, so why does it create the wrong thing? Categories for current source. I guess I need to save it to the file to see what's going on. Oh, right. Set data needs to be a class. Now I remember. There we go. Where was I? Oh, here. Okay, so we need to save the save the name and the current category, and then source. You know what, maybe I'll make this a bit different. Maybe like this. It's gonna be more complicated. Maybe not complicated, but probably slower. But that's fine. It's an old injury from when I did karate. Jesus. Can I actually do this? Can I just like... select internal array directly? Let's find out. Okay, we can get rid of this. Okay, we can get rid of this too. Let's find out. Okay, why do I have all the categories in SU? That's weird. That's really weird. Let's see. Do I load it like a mod with efforts? Actually, you don't have to load it like a mod. It's optional. No, that doesn't help me. Jeez. Okay, so now I can tell what's happening. Page 60, this is all source main. Source A box, okay. Are we doing some sort of sorting? No. Or maybe we do actually. No, it's impossible. Okay, so this is all correct, but yes, somehow we're displaying it in the wrong order. Which is weird. Yeah, I don't get it. That's weird. No, that's giving me correct. Why is CU giving me incorrect? That's weird. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream here. Gonna look into this tomorrow. So today we're getting back to work, and I want to create a new object preview, or maybe at least update the current one. So I need to sort the add-ons and then sort categories and then sort the objects into these categories, which is what I'm in the middle of. So yeah, we can display stuff, but as you can see there are still bugs, so I need to fix these bugs, which I'm gonna do tomorrow. Alright, so thank you all for coming, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully without being late. Today, unfortunately, some stuff caught me and I was late. Sorry for that. Alright, so thanks for coming and see you tomorrow. Have a good evening.